Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Microsoft Authenticator application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Microsoft Authenticator and start the search. Now from the search results, click on Microsoft Authenticator by Microsoft Corporation and you will find the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Microsoft Authenticator app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And then once it is done and you see the open button, you can tap on this open button to open up the app. And now you can sign up and create a new account or log into your existing one using the Microsoft Authenticator application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Microsoft Authenticator application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.